Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to speed up boot time in Windows 11, 10. First step is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, disable all unwanted startup apps. Second step is tip msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Boot tab, click Advanced Options, select Maximum Number of Processors. Also select Maximum Memory, click OK. Click Apply, click OK. Third step is msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, disable all, click Apply, click OK. Fourth step is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.